Hi everyone, today we're going to see together how we can teach the equation with a different way. So let's say I have an equation saying 5 equal x plus 2, and usually we ask the student to evaluate the value of the variable x. So the most of the student, they understand if they have something like that, they have to isolate x by switching the positive 2 to the other side, and they understand very well to do that they have to switch the positive to negative, and after that they find the value, which is right. However, they don't understand the reason why we switch from positive to negative. That's why we can show them the inverse strategy. So I'm going to start from the beginning. 5 equal x plus 2. We show them to isolate x, I need to remove this 2. So in this case, I need to use a negative 2. And whatever I'm doing at the right side, I have to do it at the left side. So I removed 2 from the right side. I will do the same thing from the left side. And the next step is going to be the evaluation. So positive 2 and negative 2, we reach the 0 pair. That's why we isolate x. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. And which is the same thing here, but we understand now it's coming from where the negative 2. However, some students, they struggle with this step and they don't understand. So we can, as a differentiation method, we can use another way to show them how to understand it. So I'm going to remove everything from here. And I'm going to use this website because it has a nice balance. And I open OneNote by going to All Programs, Microsoft Office, and I search for OneNote. It could be 2013, 2010, whatever you have as a version, you can use it, and it's gonna look like this thing. Now, if you want to insert this balance here, you go to Insert, Screen Clipping, you will get the website. You choose only the part that you want, which is this balance, and it's gonna come to your OneNote. You can remove this writing, you don't need it. And with this way, we have the drawing. Actually, you can adjust the drawing, make it a little bit small or large, whatever you like. And you can place it anywhere. And now we need to explain to them the 5 equal x plus 2. So I'm going to write again the equation 5 equal x plus 2. We can help them to understand the numbers here, they are standard, so we can play them with a small square and the variable with a rectangle. So let's start. I have 5 at the left side, so I can choose to draw a small square with the blue, and I can copy this one by clicking on Ctrl C and Ctrl V 4 times to have 5 different square and switch it or replace it as I want. With this way, they can visualize what the meaning of number 5 at the left side. At the right side there is 2, so I can paste another 2, Ctrl V, and I place this 2 to the right side. But also I have x, and we mentioned that x, it could be a rectangle, and I'm going to change the color to something else. Let's say orange, and I do it as a rectangle. And even with the drawing, I can place x inside to make it clear for them. Now I need the value of x. So in this case, I cannot, because there is mix of standard, which is square, and rectangle. So I need to isolate x. That means I need to remove this 2. To do that, I remove this 2 from the right side, but whatever I have to do it in the right side, I have to do it also in the left side to keep the balance. So it's clear for them that what I did, it was x plus 2. Now it becomes 2x plus 2, but I removed the 2. And from the left side, I had 5, but after removing, it's going to be 5 minus 2. Here, because plus 2 and negative 2 equal to the 0 pair, so that means in the right side it's going to be x only. In the left side, I will count. I will find 1, 2, and 3. That means 5 equals 3. And we can encourage them to do the verification by asking them to check the left side and the right side. So the left side here is 5. Left side equal to 5. The right side equal. I found that x equal 3. So if I substitute this amount with x, it's going to be 3 plus 2, which is 5. And when left side equal to the right side, that means the equation is true. This is one method. When we explain for them, we can use in OneNote this image. We can do this example with a visual way. There is another way if we use GeoGebra. So to use another way, if we go to the internet and we type GeoGebra, when you click on the link, instead of clicking on the application by itself, you can click on materials, and in this materials you type balanced equation, and these are some tools. One of these tools, it's clear here, we can use it to show a better example to the student. So as you can see, the equation x plus 2 equal 2x. To make this equation balance, we need to choose one x here, and we choose the 2 standard here. So you can see x plus 2 equal 0. We didn't do anything. That's why it's not balanced. To balance it, we have to follow the equation 2x. So I drag the 2x. Now you see equation balanced, and you see x plus 2 here and 2x here. However, if you ask the student to find the value of the variable x, we need to find x equal. In this case, we need to isolate x. So if I have x here and x here, why I don't remove one x from here? Yes, it's not balanced. And one x from here. Now it's balanced. And I stay with x equal 2. X equal 2. Now I can tell them to check. If I substitute x by 2, it's going to give me a true equation. 2 plus 2 equal 4, this is the left side, and 2 times 2 equal 4, this is the right side, so left side equal to the right side. And they can always continue to bring another problem. So this one, it's saying 2x equal x plus 5, so I drag 2x in the left side. The balance is not well balanced, that's why I need to continue, so I need to move 5 unit, 4 and 5. It's still not balanced because I need another x. Now the equation is balanced, but I need to have the value of 1x. If I have x here and x here, why I don't remove x from here and x from here till I get the balanced equation? And here I will see that x equal 5, as you can see. So if I substitute x by 5, it's going to be 2 times 5 equal 10 at the left side. 5 plus 5 equal 10 at the right side. That means the equation is true. So this is another way as a differentiation that you can use these tools from GeoGebra additional to your instruction with OneNote. Thank you.